following Bitcoin, the leading crypto in the market. The latest market crisis wiped off roughly $300 billion from the crypto market, following Bitcoin. Practically every other crypto in the market, including XRP, went down the market. This, however, will not last indefinitely. Rather, it will recover, and it has already done so. Experts believe that if XRP follows the Bitcoin pattern in the coming days, the currency will skyrocket in value. In today's video, you'll learn about the value of XRP following Bitcoin, how experts envision XRP in 2022, and how the value of XRP will increase. But first, a warm welcome back to XRP Hut, the channel where you may get your daily dosage of XRP. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel by clicking the bell symbol, so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Now, without further ado, let's get down to business. At the start of December 2021, Bitcoin isn't the only cryptocurrency that will lose value. Meme coins, Dogecoins, and Cardano have all lost more than 15% in the last week, while Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano have also suffered significant losses. Although the market appears to be rebounding from the flash crash, even if prices are still lower than 7 days ago. There was an article in the Daily the day before. A well-known crypto analyst and trader has identified a major resistance region for XRP that it must surpass in order to achieve a new all-time high. A well-known crypto analyst and trader has identified a critical resistance region for XRP that it must overcome in order to reach a new all-time high. According to the eponymous crypto analyst, Reliable Crypto, there are 263,300 followers. That XRP is currently soaring one level at a moment. With new all-time highs in sight, we're going to definitely take off. He said, once it breaks through a high time frame or HTF resistance, once we clear $1.70 on HTF, we're going to certainly take off. Targeting new AF. You can see why this region is so ill in general. The price range is between $1.50 and $1.70, according to Credible's chart. The point of collapse in May signaling the start of a multi-month bear trend for the 7th largest crypto asset, which ended in July. Bitcoin, according to Credible, is due for a short-term rally. Support was roughly $62,000 after retesting. He went on to say that Bitcoin chose the lowest price first. Let's reset the counter to 66,000. Now, while Bitcoin has reached a local low, most alts have not. This is a promising indicator. It's possible that we'll see the same pattern now. And if the value of Bitcoin rises, so will the value of XRP. Experts believe that if Bitcoin rises, XRP will follow suit and begin its path to a new all-time high on the blockchain. Sentiment data reveals that XRP is still depressed at its current price, and hence has the potential to rise. Volatility in the cryptocurrency market recently generated short-term price extremes, bringing the price of XRP to a low of 57 cents. Sentiment, which is strong and oversold on chain analytics, implies that XRP is undervalued in comparison to its fundamentals. When the price of an asset has decreased abruptly and to a level below its true value, it is said to be oversold. This usually happens as a result of market panic or overreaction after a massacre over the weekend, which saw the crypto market lose more than $600 billion in an hour. Assets that have witnessed large decreases in value over a short period of time are frequently regarded as oversold. Cryptocurrencies are currently regaining ground at a rapid pace, with all of the top 10 cryptos now trading in the green. At the time of writing, the total market capitalization had increased from under $2 trillion to $2.346 trillion. Bitcoin has risen 6% in the last 24 hours. Sending its price above $51,000, with an increase of 8.7%. ETH is approaching $4,400 and Binance Coin, or BNB, is approaching the same level. It is now trading above $580. Polka Dots, with a rise of 14%, is the top gainer among the top 10. Our firms feel that the rally, which began after the brutal weekend, indicates that investors have overcome their anxiety of the COVID Omicron. XRP is one of the earliest coins in the crypto world, according to crypto researcher Michael Van de Poe. With the most absurd rumors going around, he predicts that, like in 2017, XRP will have a major run. He goes on to add that XRP isn't just looking to be a payment mechanism. It's working on its own smart contract in order to create side chains and NFTs. He goes on to say that he's looking forwards to the resolution of the current Ripple SEC issue. He goes on to explain that he believes the lawsuit will be settled swiftly, and that if it is, the market will resume its upward trend. However, it is possible that the SEC action against Ripple will not be the result of price manipulation and insider trading on Ripple's part, according to Michael. During its first significant run in 2013, XRP made many billionaires. Then there was the period between 2014 and 2013. It hasn't done anything since 2017, except from social media. Brawls, criticism, pessimism, and hostility, according to the pricing behavior of Ripples. According to Queen Cora, according to Michael, the XRP market has been correcting for the past 4 years and is about to break out, he says. Any feasible aim for XRP to increase in the market, if a bull cycle occurs, will shoot the price up to $2.87, $4.33. If a bull cycle unfolds, we're in the midst of a lawsuit in favor of Ripple, and exchanges have begun to accept XRP. Newton, a renowned Canadian crypto exchange, has stated that it will list 2 of the most popular cryptocurrencies, Tether and Ripple XRP, after delisting USDT and XRP owing to regulatory and legal issues. Tether was involved in a dispute earlier this year including market manipulation, coin minting at will, and the evergreen market. According to the exchange, the case involving Ripple and SEC, which has been underway for nearly a year, need no introduction. XRP and USDT transactions into the exchange will be disabled on December 20th, according to Newton, and trading will be terminated on December 30th, according to UBS Bank. The dip this weekend can be ascribed in part to the U.S. Congress's planned grilling of major crypto. Nobody knows how much of an impact this investigation will have on the market, but it has already had an impact on cryptocurrency's overall appeal. Bitcoin has been the target of a global crackdown, with India potentially banning private cryptocurrencies and China strengthening its grip on Bitcoin mining. Twitter's CFO, Ned Siegel, summed up the mentality when he said that investing in crypto makes no sense. Right, the stock market has begun to rebound, according to CoinCora. If the positive trend continues, XRP will reach $15 by the end of 2022. The first half of 2022 will see rapid increase up to $25. Then the climb will moderate, but no substantial drops are expected with impending collaborations and advancements. Reaching $19 is highly ambitious from a pricing standpoint, but it is unquestionably possible in the near future. XRP price action appeared to be on the verge of a flash crash. According to the analysts who influenced the market, the price levels XRP touched at the lows were also expected well before Saturday's sell-off. Next week, XRP is expected to begin a new upswing. XRP prices are on the verge of a major rally following the flash drop. The daily and weekly candlesticks have most certainly become one of XRP's most significant bear traps. We'll be buying a lot of this cryptocurrency in the near future, especially if the price of XRP drops below $1, according to CoinMarketCap.com. The XRP price is currently at 82 cents per US date, with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.8 billion. In the last 24 hours, USD-XRP has gained 4.07%, with a live market cap of $39 billion. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 8. The circulating supply of XRP coins is 47 billion, with a maximum supply of 100 billion coins. So, there concludes today's video. I hope it proves to be of great assistance to you. What are your thoughts on XRP's rising value as a result of the Bitcoin trend? Let us know what you think in the comments area below. Please remember to click the bell symbol. And thank you for taking the time to read this.